The ATEN CS1953 is the industry's first 3-port USB-C DisplayPort desktop KVM switch. It enables hot desking agility in hybrid workspaces and plug-and-play mobility between the desktop and meetings. The CS1953 features both DisplayPort and USB-C connectivity to connect up to 2 desktop PCs, a monitor, and 1 mobile device, including a laptop. Use one set of keyboard, monitor, and mouse and switch between multiple computers. Take advantage of CS1953's USB-C functionality to transfer audio, video, data, and even provide power to a connected mobile device all through a single cable, without the need for extra docking stations. With support for DisplayPort alternate mode, the USB-C channel can deliver DisplayPort signals for outstanding video clarity up to 4K DCI resolution. The CS1953 also provides 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 hubs to connect with USB peripherals, so you can share media and data with a transfer rate up to 5 GB per second. Switching between computers is also flexible with the CS1953. You can choose from push buttons, a remote port selector, hotkeys, and the mouse to do the switching, depending on whichever works best for you. If you're an office clerk, a salesperson, a graphic designer, a financial analyst, or even an engineer, you probably need to work with different computers to process different data on a shared screen. Plus, you'll also use a laptop for daily routine communications and meetings. This is where the CS1953 comes in. Add in USB-C functionality and plug and play, and the CS1953 makes your desktop truly agile and productive.